Ibwega sana rieta riakwa mbitagwa Kiambi Atheru ndi marietwa jana lakini jara jekene muno Kiambi Atheru mbitagwa Kiambi James Thambura Atheru lakini nande gwoku antu bambeta Kiambi Atheru kana Dr. Kiambi Atheru bitharwa ndi bishop wa makanisa ja Can International ndene Kenya yonthe na ini director wa kiama gitagwa Assembly of Ecumenical Churches in Kenya ini national chairman wa kiama kiu twithora twina member churches baba ingi muno ni umbrella organization Kiambi Atheru achiario 1967 na ro na miaka around 54 mbitite 55 na kiri kugira nditite mbitharwa ndi director wa Can Group of Schools Nchiru aratwithora twina Can Academy Can International School of Theology Can ECD Teachers Training College Can College of Professional Studies na to institution tunje kidogo 2017 ndarungi gite kia gavana bati mbere ntere jau ndi experience kwa thirikari nkarite kwa thirikari miaka 26 ndi kwa Ruji bithawa ndi engineer Ruji inditete ngugi miaka 26 ubicine cha thirikari na kiri miaka 26 yu miaka 13 nditete ngugi ndi district water officer tungamirite project mianya Meru County nditete ngugi project nyingi muno Nkobori rehabilitation project ya 2007 Gikoi Mweru ito twakira intake na jaruire water project ndaiteta nguge nyingi muno kiri project ira yari mweshimiwa Mwiraria na wegwo kwe na project nyingi muno over 1500 iria ndarungamirite ndene miru iria nkuru na kiri ruterwa kithomo mbitharwa ndina degree ya Bachelor of Development Studies mbitharwa ndina degree ya Masters of Governance and Ethics na Doctor of Philosophy kuma Kenya Methodist University echo gituma mbitwa Dr. Kiambi Atheru 2017 indarungamite gite kia gavana ndene Meru County na ingucokeria Meru bonthe nkatho nontu kura ira ndonere teja cia muntu mweru ndaringirwa kura nyingi muno Meru County yonthe indarinde gwita muno indariongirite ya Meru guntu mianya mwanka nara rutero rwa Mbaria ndonyo Barikoi antu ba Mbaria yongwa guntu gwita Nguthiru rutero rwa Mbaria nau kirua kibirikia mwanka gwite nare eguru kabisa indabariongirite indetete guntu kunthegwe imenti nara bakiagu kwija mwanga nthia kila mahali mbuga Meru ije indarinde kuriongira antu muno na ibwega no ntuba reception irabo ampete antu baigembe na aria Thambiro go mateandu we go ntumianya mutu ati na aria we everywhere nkagweta na ara kunthe ndariongere Meru County mbuga kinyathano ithire mbati inkwira Murungu ibwega no ntumbere buru na mpere experience ya Meru na mpere experience ya kuona Meru yetu uria kari ruterwa roire muga ina aria kila mahali na zone inyambero yetu ira the driest belt ruterwa kuma Meru National Park witeretie gembe north ugaitia mwanka ugaiteria au Mutonyi ugaitia ngare mwanka ngare Ntare guru na aria belt yonthe na kwa indariongera guntu kunthe na kura ira ndonere kura nyingi ndari number 4 out of antu batantatu bara barungi na kire bara bathithetie statistics ukejotara ingi twita witend mean ndene Meru County it was not just number 4 indageretie muno ukejotara witend mean irachito yani ugatara na weight ya uria umba kuthithia mashindano ja yuthi na ekuru na akuru bakanisa ugachoka ukathithia amwe na Sunday school ugatara mathabu ukija kuona Sunday school no yukari number 1 regardless of how they sang because of this kind of gwikira weight na mantu kuringana na ura gukari so it was a good performance Ameru ibwega muno na inkwenda bwira kairi na kairi nchokete kairi unde mukuru wa gutethia antu na kuthuganirwa mpumbo tethia antu na mantu jaija mega sana kira giatumite mpenda kurungama na kira gitumite kairi mpendo choka kairi 2022 nonto indiraugire kairi ndatangaza ndauga 2022 nkarombe tigiki nte kurombe tigiki twiro jana muntu woni ndi bishop ndi muntu wa kanisa kinya riria ndari university kenda mbita kuthomera engineering na development inaondo onokere na ko woni ndi kuonokera guntu kuria ndira mutumiria na nkithiria ndiraita ngugie ruji na nguginge chionthe na ndemuungia na nkirite murungu kiria gitumite nchoka gitine giki 2022 te manto jandwana muntu mwiru kana mutune kiria gitumite nchoka gitine giki number 1 isheria kumbitikiria after every 5 years mukenya wonte na right ya kuwania gitio kiria kende nyagia president kana anything, and on this basis I come back ni onto bwa kuithirwa inkumba woni go qualify kurombe tikia governor wa Meru County 2022. Number 2 kira gitumite nchoka antu bare bethirite beku betethagia Meru County mbere buru mbachokerie nkatho bara bethirite bari itene jonto bari itene position ya governor. However, tukinkiaragia nkorwe kwa inkuigwa woni I can even do better than them. Why? Because the experience ya kungana miaka 26 ndene thirikari mantu jange kuigwa ngavana ndene Kenya begwatirwa babo batiko gwato no ntubora bayite, but they don't know the policy, they don't know the procedures. Utuntu bakumenya batije kinya vocha imbi, batije tendering imbi, batije quotation imbi, they don't know these things. Na kwa muntu atithaira na ichunguthanire na manto atonya ke manto mithemba unda atonya ndene Meru County ndieresa number 2 bila biatumire ntonya I can do better, I can do mapping a Meru County na nkamenya Meru County anane okukwendekana una aja kurendekana roji aja kurendekana barabara aja kurendekana uju, and then from there to afloat tenders itena manto ja nkunkuo nonto antugutena wamba kila mtu atakuwa nangangana, kampuni itakuwa nangangana kivyake ndio wapate hiyo tenda, and we get the best value for the money from mwananchi, and then from there to abari this, then our work will be to supervise what they are doing na kuona ngugi gwita na quality and everything. So I can do better, I feel I can do better. Of course, if I don't feel I can do better, then intejo so I take it on to I will be satisfied. I will be satisfied with what they are doing and so forth. And so this is the reason why I came to seek this seat. Na antoba bainge bambira ugwe bishop chwa geteke kai bishop Kiambi chwa geteke kenini kiria umba. Now politics is not about geography, it's not about coverage. Politics is about kwithwo kiumba gwita kiria antu nyaweta bikibiki gwe ndio kinya kiria antu ubere nkuromba geteke kiroi mpe nikyo mutethie. Na number 2 kurire mana turima kwiturima tunini tutho so difficult gwitia nkurukia kirima ikinene, and therefore geteke ngavana woni nkumba nakyo, and I want to assure you take through gonde naru because nimetembelea watu wengi na even this time mtaenda kila mahali house to house, and I'll talk to everybody. Na Ameru mburombe gintu kimwe na kwinyi ya ukunene muno this myth ya ati batwe tugachugwita akiri antu bare anene baratwita mbarathi saburi that thiri mustari jwa 17 eruga atiri bukeje ni kwa erwa mbarathi tumbo butethia mo na inya yachio. So batu kuga o ichi mbarathi Bible king makers baba ibo antu bare anene Meru antu betu ekuruba Meru bonde abanganene na banganene no mwanka kwithirwe kwina kungananua ndene yukuria kuma Exodus 18 verse 21 Biblia riuga na njethuru arera Musa atire kiri antu bombe ndene ya Israeli tikiri antu bairi yake ndene Meru tutitwa utaranga bana kuma kiri antu bairi yake ndene Meru are Musa arera kiri antu bombe ba Israeli kwa Meru konsinde ni antu bombe ndene Meru County tutige ni kuga nojo ake na kethera tojo no unge no ntuma kwithirwa muntu pengine na inya ya kwithirwa ari mbarathi kana gintu ya kiu tonto bo nduga nkauga Musa arerwa ne antu bombe na muntu roga atarwa musarero atiri muntu roga tarwa nethirwe na qualification yikarioju mbere nethirwe mukiri o Mungu mukiri wa Mungu muntu ura ukira Mungu muntu ura ukira kurea mbecha chiankea muntu ura ukira kurea mbecha chia barabara ngari ile miranjirene muntu uju mukiri o Mungu musarero number 1. That is the first qualification. Qualification number 2, muntu uju nethirwa ari able na ichonko ni able kemiru nethirwa akiomba. So here njethiru ari mantu ja CV. Huyu mtu ambaye ni mcha Mungu anaweza hii kazi. What is his experience? What is it that he can do for the Meru people? Ara itanguge na anje kanigite kiangavana kwena. And I told you I've been a water officer miaka kithumba over 20 years. So the experience with Tanguge Meru tena wanonyi ya kuganande ya Kinyara kewenda wanonyi anga what have you. Are ya Meru county obichi ne gavana aitakuwa ati ni mahali ya you see maybe kusoma Biblia ni kufanyia mwananchi kazi. When we go out we read the Bible in the church, but we will have to be people who are fearing God. And finally muntu ujo musarero njethiro atiri nethiro ari muntu mukeri nkukumo. So this person should be God fearing, should be able and a CV, and should be somebody who hates dishonest gain na kiambia therore na kuumba mantu jaja kuri antu bambo tientu kwinga bamboria kiambia no tururungi ngabana wirunga makia makiriku wondunga mina kia magwetwa Agano Party. Agano Party is a Christian party registered in the Republic of Kenya. Na so Agano Party ni ondo ungi nio until further notice. Kedra ukewa kuina changes, I will tell you. But as of now, my party is Agano Party. Tuina chairman weta kwa Mwaura Wahiga, the advocate. And we are in Nairobi. The headquarters is in Nairobi. Inire njono chairman wa kiama giki. Na thai to kuthithia recruitment ya that party. Otherwise, that is all about Kiambia Thero. Kiambia the Bishop, Dr. Kiambia Thero. Na Ameru, that is what I would like to say. God bless you so much. 2022 ngaya tuweke tuwetorio na tuimenyere COVID-19 until tufike wakati huo. Tukifika wakati huo, tafadhali tupigeni kura na vichwa zetu. Tusipige kura na kumathirwa anga kugita hiyo itaisha. Sasa nyoka mathirwa 50, my friend, unapewa shilingi 50, and then from there for the next 5 days unaishi bila barabara, bila whatever. When I become the governor, watu watashangaa Meru hii kama kweli igutura na antu bangi bombo tutethia. Kwa garureni tuthithie changes, and then you also try us and try to see. Exodus 18:21, where Moses was told to get people who have got 3 qualities. One quality is God fearing, number 2 somebody who is able, and number 3 somebody who hates dishonest gain. Having said that, we go to Matthew chapter 25. Hiyo ni kethera manifesto ekwa Mathayo 25 na kwambiria kamustari ne kathate wanu itwitite mwanka kuendelea. Jesu Kristo wengwa na kule strategy na kule priority ile mwananchi abuikundirwa nacio. And there is this priority of health. Jesu ariuga ndare woni ndaje to borara kujonda itha. Wonda ngavana Meru County civitari chionde iria chiendene Meru County na dispensary antu baitwa gwita bakethira ndawa nkathikira mwathani okwa baitwa gwita bakethira ndawa iria otumantu ya gwita kwirwa bagure na nonto kwina kintu gitagwa survey. There is what we call survey, a survey of an area. Itujere chi malaria, itujere the kind of bacteria that affect antu mandagitari ya kwa ya kedwa ya yente to uchonde. We won't be able to know. So that if we go to Kiago, we know this is the kind of medicine. If we go to Egembe, this is, and then we have all the medicine there. So that we are now, whether one okuna aje toka na one aje tu ukae wandawoka na mara moja. Health will be my priority. Director wa Universal Health Care. Nigere tu guntu ya Machakos, and some other counties and some places it has worked and so forth. There are various reports about this universal health, and we will also do it in Meru County. Meru County Kiambia the Rohan governor wa Meru County wangu tangazo ni MBC nde governor wa Meru County bomenye sibitari mantu wa sibitari ni utheri. Number 2, natema antu wako tutena ndawa eti tafadhali hapo tuelewane vizuri. Kama hakuna ndawa, then we will have to be stocking that place with medicine so that we don't have these stories. And number 2, ukeja kwethirwa Kiambia ka governor Meru County twina thinene muno roji na nyanto baraba kunywa roji ndene Meru County. About 92% of Meru County are suffering from domestic water scarcity. How? Kinya kethira antu bonde ibo tumira roji ndoje ite na treatment ite treated. We have so many diseases, waterborne diseases that are affecting people. I'll fight with these diseases by giving people kwa antu roji rwa kungana na roji treated. Roji rwa na treatment station where we can apply chlorine, aluminium sulfate and these other chemicals to treat roji kenda tonyia antu bara weta sibitari no ntuba typhoid, tonyia namba ya antu bara weta sibitari no ntuba H pylori, tonyia namba ya antu bara weta sibitari no ntuba other things na outbreak cha cholera. Atai to kwaria Meru County na project nyingi sana. These are the projects we are going to empower. We have got so many projects which we have, and these projects have already, management committees are already in place. So we will empower these management committees to have what they don't have, like treatment chemicals. Number 2, we will go for water. We have 2 water towers in Meru County, for instance. We have the Mount Kenya water tower and we have got Nyambene water tower. These water towers have a lot of water where we can put things like dams. We can have just dams like toka ya weta Nyambene. No twina dam na supplier conduits kana supplier pipes kana stations either 2. One goes to Igembe South, Igembe Central the way it is, Igembe North, and then the 4th one we can have for Tigania West. Tigania West has a lot of issues Cheroji by virtue of it falling on the leeward side of Mount of Nyambene range, and also now 3/4 of it have being arid and semi-arid land. So we can have a lot of water from Nyambene, and most importantly manage even the project which we already have. Problem is management. We will have to manage them. Kere thirikari kwa uwo mtoro gatua anto bonde bakethro pena roji twaro manage bwega to make sure anto bonde bena roji. Go to Mount Kenya. For example, we constructed a project which came to from Mount Kenya Forest, and it came to Roire. It served Roire, Rorera, and the part of Metunto, although ikwagere na management problem we roji. I take management problem yanto. It's technical management, whereby there are not enough technicians to guide mwananchi on how to kind of share this water. So we have all these. First of all, water projects that are existing na chekui nyingi muno kinyo aturi kuna project ire to sawa na goje. If you go to your place, there is another project. We will go and carry out feasibility study. What are your problems? How can the government enter here? What can we supply for you? What can you know this kind of things, and most importantly to make sure that we regulate water. So that's what we are going to do. Other projects like water, like roads, barabara. I must say that kudhibia barabara is very easy, but apparently it becomes very difficult because there is something we call spot improvement. Janamona ande barabara ni vitu kidogo cha vitu hapa na pale. Spot improvement has to do with maintenance. So maintaining the road and water. And another thing, when I become the governor of Meru County, and they should be very clear to everybody, I will make sure that we involve services from Meru Town to sub-county and quarters. As of now, services have been devolved there, but it involved in Nigeria to take empower nene paria. To for example, na sub-county Jericho katuge ja Imenti Central. Sub-county and quarter either roe Katembi. Kana to region to Tigania West. Sub-county and quarter either roe ere Oro. Kana tuge Igembe North. Sub-county and quarter either roe lare, and so on and so on. Now we have to involve everything. Staff, kethira negembe no thiethirwo ina road engineer, ithirwo ina water engineer, ithirwo ina agricultural officer, ithirwo ina livestock officer. By now no bichia ikimenyekana twakinya kiribo nabo bethirwo by na ward livestock officer, ward water officer, ward agricultural officer, kwirwa igeta mwanka up to the sub-locational level. Now we will also take money there so that they have got the sub-county treasury. Antwambeja chito kirie magwa mutindwa munene wa roji kana munene wa agriculture orore timau endi kuotebore na areguru na kwenda impressed ya gwita ngugene mbati ya to travel all the way to Meru town. This centralization of things in Meru town itaisha. Sisi hatutakuwa tunausikana na pesa, but watu atoma mbecha through my ministers. Kile minister wa agriculture akaoleketwa mbecha. There is these things they are said just the way the national government operates. Then allocate ministry chia wachionde nguge yetu ikethirwo ere o check monitoring and evaluation mbecha ile tumika atia. Is this money used quickly vile ilipangwa? There is what we call performance contracting, whereby we will be calling all officers in Meru town in a certain hotel kana Maua kana Dare kana wherever to abeta tukathiria antu kuitha to asaina contract. Ugwe munene wa barabara wa Imenti Central urori gatimbe twithithia barabara eje tuthithia jenge within this financial year ukomba kana otiumba akauga ankomba kana antiumba tukambagi ita performance contracting boa China kuma una ndai kwa allocate mbecha, and this is how you also prevent corruption. No njo tukauga wo ugakira antu itangi wake tangira 225 cubic meters antu amwe for example jaruiga kana Maua tuge ya Kimongoro itokwenda etangira 225 cubic meters na to China performance contract na engineer wa Igembe South wa Roji na ugaga ke etangire una ituje mbechire chiaka 225 cubic meter chia Roji. We know the amount. It is this amount of money we have already allocated to the sub-county treasury in Maua. Ibobabu iko administer that money bongwa. And even the tendering should be done there. They are the people who know the local contractors. Or now, and therefore from there, in a corruption, so there is no corruption. But when we are doing things half-assembly, trying to mean what and whatever, nambecha inachoni nyinge muno ite kuomba kwa administer ukeja kuiwa kwa antubaire and so on. But I can assure you Mumeru mwenzangu, tafadhali ingo kuromba umpevia ngavana oku 2022 uni umpevia ngavana oku 2022 mbecha ikeja kuiwa ndene Meru County kana kaiwa kuri onde tabauma Nairobi bathithia onde tubako na irregularity uniulize ile okeja kumenya ou Kiambi was a liar. But being a bishop and God fearing person na mtu kuomba na mtu na inya kulita ngugi na mtu kirete corruption, I can assure you I will help you Meru. I'm prepared. 2017 I was ready. No, I had my pilot kind of campaign. I found it is possible, it was feasible, and so I will be able to do it. Kidogo kidogo, lakini mwananchi atuelewe. Tafadhali don't require too much from us. To any kura then from there require that much you want. Not now. Yes, because the problem of mwananchi and before. Sasa unataka before and we are not able. Na tutiandiki thirikari tutena that kind of the world you think. Why don't you get the person into the seat and then from there now demand mtu anambeja chia kuchi otumira. Yes, that is basically what is supposed to be. The campaign is easy because what is needed ni watu wakujue. So I have the ability. Exodus 18:21, where Moses was told to get people who have got three qualities. One quality is God-fearing. Number two, somebody who is able. And number three, somebody who hates dishonest gain. Having said that, we go to Matthew chapter 25. Hiyo ni kile manifesto ekwa Mathayo 25 na kwambiria kamustari ne kadha atwanu itwetete mwanka kuendelea. Jesu Kristo wengwa na kule strategy na kule priority ile mwananchi abuikundirwa nacio. And there is this priority of health. Jesu aliuga ndare woni ndaje to borara kujonda itha nda ngavana Meru County cibitari cionthe iria ciendene Meru County na dispensary antu baitwe gwita bakethira ndawa nkathikira mwathani okwa baitwe gwita bakethira ndawa iria otumantu ya gwita kwirwo bagure na nontu kwina kintu gitagwa survey. There is what we call survey, a survey of an area. Ituje malaria, ituje the kind of bacteria that affect antu mandagitari ya kwa ya kedwa ya yente to ichonde. We won't be able to know. So that if we go to Kiago, we know this is the kind of medicine. If we go to Egembe, this is, and then we have all the medicine there. So that we are now, whether one okuna ajetuka na one ajetwe, ukae wandawoka na mara moja. Health will be my priority. Direct our universal health care. Nigere to go to Machakos and some other counties and some places it has worked and so forth. There are various reports about this universal health, and we will also do it in Meru County. Meru County kiambia the road governor wa Meru County boy wangu tangazo ni MBC nde governor wa Meru County bo menye cibitari mantu wa cibitari ni utheri.